your favorite garment engineer, Lady V. So, like I promised, I'm trying to stay more consistent, at least trying to post 2 videos a week or bi-weekly. But remember, we're still doing Tapestry Recon, so this would be Tapestry Recon episode 4. Yes, we are on to our 4th tapestry. If you haven't seen the first few videos, I would advise you to go back and check out Tapestry 1, episode 2, episode 3. Episode 3 was pretty fun, so you might definitely want to go look at that. But today, we have our 4th tapestry, and you know where we're getting them from. We get them from Amazon. And they're not that expensive. You get them for $10, $15, you know, and they are about a yard long. So this one is Hippie Mountain Tapestry Decor M-130 by 150 centimeters. Of course, made in China. But before we get into the video, remember to like, share, subscribe, tell all your friends, tell your family, tell random strangers on the street. Check out Lady V at Lady V Dynasty. On this channel, we get into creating thrifted garments as well as high fashion garments. We talk about how to create runway shows. We talk about breaking into the industry. You never know what we're going to jump into, but it's always fashion forward and fashion fun. So right now we're not at my studio, we're in my home. I'm in the process of moving, so excuse the mess. I'm actually sitting right in front of my sewing machine. That's why it's at a funny angle, and it's super early in the morning. But I just want to jump into this and let you know, if you are new, thank you for joining me on my channel. And if you are old, I love you. Thank you for all my subscribers. I believe we're up to 14 subscribers. Let's try to push that number up a little bit more. Like I said, keep liking, sharing, and telling everybody about me so they can find out who this great garment engineer is. I've been in the industry since 2015. Been sewing since I was 11, so definitely really getting into this more and more. I do bridal, I do formal, I do costuming. It's just above and beyond. We have so much fun, and I teach how to sew. So, but I just want to put that out there. Let's jump into the video. Again, what we do in these videos is we take tapestries, that's why it's called Tapestry Recon, and we reconstruct them into something either high fashion or minimal fashion, something really cute that you wouldn't expect it to be. So let me take out the bag. I'm already loving this because of the color, which I believe is why I bought in the first place. And remember, now I'm only 5 foot tall, so this is more than enough fabric that I need. So you can see the inside is white. It's kind of thin, so we might have to layer it. But let me show you the outside. Check that out. Is that not gorgeous? Look at this. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Look at this. There is a sunrise on there. Oh my gosh. Look at those little mushrooms. Like, oh, that's so cute. So we're going to take this and we're going to turn it into something real cute. Like, oh my gosh. I could just turn it into a kimono, but I don't want to lose that beautiful print. Look at that. But no, that would be too easy, and y'all have a million videos on how to make kimonos and little tunics and stuff. So today, I'm going to probably do another dress because I just love making dresses. So let's get into the sketch. So let's get into our, I'm definitely going to be doing this, but that's not what we're doing today. That's probably going to be our cheetah print version. I decided for Tapestry Recon, I want to do this dress. I want to have the puff sleeve, the cuff at the end because I'm really into puff sleeves, and like a cute A-line type of flounce. One shoulder. I might have the straps to do the tie in the back, but I do know I'm going to have a side zipper. So, see if the camera will focus. This is our idea. That's the front. This is the back. And I believe we can get this done. So now, let's go grab our pattern. as you can see, I have things for my top bodices, I have triangle wraps, I have actual blouse patterns, and then I have my dress patterns. So let's see. Oh, machine's ready to go. All this thread, I gotta finish wrapping my bobbins. Okay, so we have our sleeve pattern, and it's one of my larger sleeves because I want to gather and get that puff look. We're gonna have a cuff. I often do this. I'll take one of my bodice templates and I'll put it with one of my dress templates to get a look that I want. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna trace it onto my fabric and I'm going to cut it out, and then after that I will assemble the pieces. When I cut it out, it'll let me know if I need to add a lining or not, so we'll see. I don't think I might only need a lining in the skirt part, but let's just get into it. Now pretty much once I have all my pieces cut out, I like to go straight into assembly. So the main thing is, like, I always do the top of the sleeve first. So I'll serge that and probably put a straight stitch in it to stabilize it. And then after that, I'm going to hand sew and gather up the puff sleeve and the bottom of the sleeve so I can put the cuffs together. I got to add some interfacing to the cuff. And just start assembling it all together. So let's go. Yay! So we have our sleeve coming together, our cuff going on our sleeve. I decided that I'm gonna go ahead and add a lining. So I liked how I had the yellow in there, so I'm gonna go with a lime green lining. You're not gonna see it anyway, so. We're almost done. Remember, we're gonna have to put in a side zipper on this side. Other than that, we're almost done. So excited. See how I put my darts in there? Yeah. Give it some stylized lines. Stylized lines. I can't wait till y'all see the finished product. She wants to be kept so bad. So anyways, what are you doing? We finally are finished, so let's jump into this. Check out the final reveal. Don't y'all just love this dress? The one shoulder, the puff sleeves, the cuff, the A-line. It came out just as I envisioned it. Oh my gosh. I hope y'all enjoyed this project as much as I did. Enjoyed the colors and the art piece. I look forward to our next Tapestry Recon project. Y'all have an amazing day. Thank you for joining me. Bye.